everybody, let's talk about Save the Day and While You Sleep. So these are two products that came out that were very much so for hair restoration, hair repairing. These are really, really powerful products, and I love them both and use them both regularly in my hair. So the Save the Day product is very much so like a skincare serum. It is very powerful in terms of healing past damage, helping to seal down split ends, but it's also very, very light. And I love it because my ends sometimes struggle with volume. So I can get that sealing effect, I can get that softening effect, but I don't get any weight and I can still achieve volume and texture. But it's so, so silky, it's so nice, and quite literally you can use this after you put in your primer, and then layer other products on top of it if you like. But really think of it like that skincare serum where you cleanse, you tone, you add your serum, and then you add your moisturizer. That's how I like to use this product, and that's how I use it pretty much every single time I blow dry. It does have a really nice pearlescence, so you can totally use it alone. The next product is going to be the While You Sleep mask. So this mask was designed to go on dry as in not wet hair and then sleep in it. So you don't need a lot, you just section it in just enough to really touch and coat the hair lightly, and then leave it in all night. I don't wash my hair in the morning, so I wash my hair at night, so I put it in about 20 minutes before I get in the shower, and you're gonna have the same effect. So it goes on dry as in not wet hair because the hair porosity is more open when it's not coated in water. Therefore, the mask can penetrate a lot easier. This guy has omega fatty acids, and it also has Camilla oil. Using it once a week for a month, you're going to see a reduction in breakage by 70%. And I have seen that in my own hair because I'm one of those people that would brush their hair and see like little centimeters coming off. This really makes it stronger without the strength that you can get sometimes from the overprotonizing of other strength masks. The omega fatty acid makes the hair more bendy and stretchy as opposed to too brittle. So it makes it much, much easier to manage, and it also is great for those people who are trying to grow their hair out. So once a week, just lightly coat the hair, leave it in for at least 20 minutes, and then shampoo and condition it out, and then you can go along with your normal routine. Any questions, leave them in the comments. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much.